Sling Studio is the first portable, wireless, multi-camera broadcasting platform with 4K post-production support. This week's Videoguys Product Spotlight features the Sling Studio Hub and Camera Link, the world's easiest to set up and use multi-camera live production and streaming solution. With Sling Studio, you can monitor, record, switch, edit, and stream live HD quality video wirelessly to Facebook, YouTube, Twitter Periscope, Twitch, and other RTMP destinations for just $999. Use the free Sling Studio console app to turn your iPad or Mac into your portable production studio. After download, connect your Sling Studio Hub to the console app by following the on-screen directions and connect to the Wi-Fi network coming from the hub. In the console app, up to 10 connected sources and 4 monitored sources can be used in your production. Easy to set up, the Sling Studio Hub is powered by the DC power or the external battery priced at $149. The hub itself supports HDMI with both an input for sources and an output for monitoring, along with a line-in audio connection. The SD card is where your production will be recorded for post-production purposes, or use the USB jack to connect to even larger storage. Simply connect your camera to the hub and immediately it shows up as a source. For wireless connections, use the Sling Studio Camera Link to link cameras up to 300 feet away with the hub, priced at $349. After syncing the camera link to the hub, connect your camera to the camera link and your camera is now a wireless source. Add smartphones as additional sources with the Sling Studio Capture app for even more coverage. Sling Studio is affordable, powerful, and most of all, easy to use. For more information on Sling Studio and all of our great products, visit videoguys.com.
Videoguys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.